Hello everyone, it's Jen from MPX Autos in Sydney again. How are you? This video we would like to share how to remove the top section of the LEXUS RX330 and also RX350 new generation 2004 and 2009. This one is 2005 LEXUS RX330, and we already removed the bottom section, which you can see in another video we have in our channel. And this one is the top section. After we remove the bottom section, we'll look down here and look up. You will see this position here. That is the 10mm bowl mounting upward, okay, upward. And the second one is here, mounting upward. So just get the short 10mm socket and unscrew two of them. After that, you just simply put your hands on the left like this, okay, and the second hand you put actually on the other side and pull it out, and this one comes out straight away because it's all clipped at the back end at this moment. And after that, you see, wiring harness and cable. Just unclip all the connector and you can remove the top LCD section out of the car to do whatever you need to do with the system. In this case, we are upgrading the car with the 9-inch premium setup, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and we are looking to see you in another video of this car. So thanks again, and we'll see you soon.